Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you some foam rolling alternatives if you find that your glutes are always getting tight. So rather than reaching for the foam roller and starting to go through your smashing and rolling on your butt and spending 600 years doing this, for a bit of relief, try something more like the 90-90 position that I always post about here, like this, and just challenge your hip rotation at different angles. So try and see, can you sit up in that position? See, can you lift the back leg up while pressing the knee down into the floor? See, can you change around from side to side, lifting the back leg up? And just spend more time doing that and moving your hip through a full range rather than just beating that up. If you spend a good 10 minutes doing that, I guarantee you your glutes will feel fired up, and if something feels strong, it generally won't have the same reason to become tight. So if something works well and you move well, the tightness may not start to come back as often. So stop chasing symptoms with that and work on your strength. Okay guys?